Hello and welcome to my video where I will be showing you how to do volume of a cube. Before I do that, I would like to ask you to subscribe, share and like my video. And then what I will do is go over how to do volume of a cube. So let's have a look at the question, shall we? We need to write a program that asks the user to input the length of a side to get the area of a cube. So let's take this formula as that nice little hint. There you go. There's a problem. All red lines because there's no variable called side yet. So let's bring in a variable called side. Equals a float. Because we've done that, you'll notice that the red line on the second line, the red line beneath the second line is gone. So we need to ask it to enter the side. And then we're going to print volume of a cube. And then just call that volume of a cube. Oh, can't forget to put the comma between the variable and the quote in the print statement. So let's run that and let's see that work. Lo and behold, we've got something there. But you notice there's loads of decimal numbers. Do we really need all of those? No, we don't. So let's round that off, shall we? So this is how we do round. We type in the word round, set of brackets. We type in a variable, volume of a cube, then a comma, then a 2. Let's try that again. Yes, because the 3 is a third number after the decimal point, that it still stays 82.65. Okay. However, let's try and do exponentation with this, because you can do it. So to do exponentation, it will be side, shift, 8 and 8 for the exponent, and then we're going to put a 3, because that is cube. So I'm going to press run. One, 3, 5, 6. You can see that the answer is exactly the same, rounded off and otherwise, when it comes to volume of a cube. Okay? So that is a nice and easy exercise there. So, I hope you've enjoyed my short video. I will ask you to like and subscribe and share, and I will look forward to making another video for you. Thank you very much and goodbye for now.